Hey guys, it's Kim and welcome back to my channel. So today's video guys is I will going to make a Dalgona coffee. So without further ado, let's get on to this video. So yung mga kailangan guys is coffee, sugar, empty bowls, tablespoon, water, and empty glass para later, and then ice, and then this one is the egg whisk and milk. Ayan, so first thing is ito, ilalagay natin here 2 tablespoons of coffee. Ayan. Then the sugar, and maglalagay din tayo ng water, 2 tablespoons of water. So, lagyan ko na lang ulit ng another 1 kasi hindi siya masyadong puno. So, ayan. So, ibibit ko lang to guys and hintayin natin hanggang mag-brown siya. So, I think this is okay na. And, okay, proceed na tayo. So, we will going to put here ang milk. Yan. And, put some ice. Damihan natin ng ice, guys. Para mas masarap. Ayan. And add more milk. And that's it. Tapos, ilalagay na natin ang coffee. So, lagyan lang natin ng konting design. Ayan. So, this is Kimi's Dalgona Coffee. Ayan. O, diba? So guys, ganito lang pala kadali gawin ang Dalgona Coffee. So, yan lang, imimix mo lang yung coffee, sugar, and water. And then mix. And then, pagkatapos nun, maglagay ka na ng milk with ice. And then, ilagay mo na lang yung coffee na na-mix mo na. So, ganun lang kadali. Super easy. So, ito try natin kung masarap pa siya, guys. Lagyan ko lang ng straw. Ayan. Super yummy! Oh my God! Hindi ko alam ganito pala siya kasarap. Char! So guys, you better try to make Dalgona Coffee in your house. Para matry nyo rin. Ayan. Imimix ko na lang siya. Yeah. Super nice. So, ayan, thank you kay Mia Antoinette Valenzuela for suggesting this video. And I enjoy it doing the Dalgona Coffee. So, thank you guys for watching and don't forget to like. Bye! See you in my next video. Sila og Dalgona Coffee ako mga kauban sa boarding house. Ana sila lami good siya. I-mix. Pa man siya na mix.
You love me.
Char.
Lagi promise. Yummy. Lami.
Lami siya. Lami siyang dalgona.
Wow. So, mo na siya yung aftermath, guys, da. Lami, good siya. So, maura to, bye!